In this video, I'm going to introduce the Jackbord Basic, and we're going to get to know it a little better. Hi, I'm Jack, and I'm really happy to be able to introduce to you the Jackbord Basic. And what this is essentially an all-in-one means of learning coding, but also learning some basic electronics, which makes the whole coding experience 10 times better. And so what we're going to do in this video is just look at the different parts of the Jackbord Basic. And the first thing we'll look at is the USB port, and this is where you plug in a USB-C connector, and the Jackbord Basic gets its power and internet connection via this port. Then the next most prominent thing you probably notice are these three ports here, port A, B, and C, and then D. And these essentially let you connect external things to the Basic, whether it's just a simple switch, a sensor like a temperature humidity sensor, all sorts of things, but they also let you control different things as well. The next one is this set of user pins, and these look complicated, but all they are 5 columns of 5 pins, and each column of pins is joined together. So all of these pins are joined together this way, but not that way. And going around, we have 2 buttons. So this is button 2, this is button 1. And these let you control your programs, whether it's shooting someone in a game, changing the mode of something. Buttons are really useful for controlling things. We've got 2 of them. Then next we've got the 2 variable resistors. And unlike a button is either on or it's off. That's it, 2 states. The variable resistors give you the ability to have a whole range of different values because it's a variable value. And so you can use these things for controlling games and parts of programs, brightness, all that kind of stuff. So they're really useful. And then in the center here, on this side, we've got the power pins, which provide power to the Jackbord top. We'll cover that in another set of videos. And then this central column of pins basically are the pins for the button on the left, variable resistor on the left, and then this button on the right, and this variable resistor on the right. And finally, these are just some expansion buttons. Here we've got 5 RGB LEDs, and these are called the user LEDs because you can do pretty much whatever you want with them. Different colors, different brightnesses, etc. And then next to it we have a temperature sensor, and this lets you measure the ambient temperature of wherever you've got the Jackbord Basic. Up at the top we've got a light sensor which lets you measure ambient light levels. And then just below it is an infrared or IR receiver, and that lets you use something like a TV remote control, a DVD remote control, most infrared remote controls to control the Basic. So you can use your remote control to control your program. And then finally we have the activity LED, which is this one right here. And what that does is it shows you the current state of the Jackbord Basic, and we'll learn more about that in the next video. And then finally, we have the M4 holes all around the outside. And these are designed to let you bolt things onto the Jackbord Basic, or you can bolt the Jackbord Basic onto something else. So this is the new Jackbord Basic. In the next video, we'll get the Jackbord Basic set up so you can start using it. To jump to the next video, visit jb.works and enter the TMT code shown below at the search prompt. For more information and to get help, visit jb.works.